guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here with Axion. Today we got another part to review. It's only been out for about a week and it's already sold out. I've got one left here and I'm pretty much sure it's going to be gone by the end of tonight, I would assume. So if you're ordering, it's probably going to pre-order. Just so you know, PRL pricing is increasing March 3rd. So I do suggest getting any orders in through PRL or even these carbon inlets. Do it now before the pricing goes up 10 to 20%. So just a little warning of what's coming for you guys. And let's get into the product. All right, PRL carbon intake. This thing weighs nothing. This is for the FL5 guys. We've got a lot of questions about it. And does it fit some of the older ones? Or does it work on the RDX or Accord for people running the FK8? It actually doesn't, and I'll explain why. This portion right here is not long enough for the coupler. You could make it work, it's just not going to fit ideal. You also don't have the posts like the FK8 has in the rear. It's just the front for holding the coolant line. So that's one option. It comes with all your couplers, clamps. You've got your housing here for the turbo, and it's really nice. I do suggest if you guys are doing the inlet pipe, make sure to order the P2R thermal gasket that fits right here. It helps a little bit with the heat transfer onto the cast pipe, and it's just a nice addition for, I think it's $24, so always good to order both together. We do have the titaniums in stock if you guys want one of those, but like I said, best to get the orders in, as pricing is going to be increasing soon. All right, so it's a quick one today. I just wanted to show you it up close, personal, the look of it. I like these. I think heat soak will be down a little bit more over the titanium version. These do work with the PRL HVI intake, which we have those in stock too. We've got quite a bit in stock, so if you're worried if something's in stock, you can always email us. Send us a message on Instagram, Facebook, like and share. And we'll see you on the next review, guys. Thanks so much for all the orders coming in. We look forward to tax season and look forward to helping you with your ride. See ya.